what's going on YouTube? This is Technology Mafia, and today we unbox an iPad Air 2. Here we go. Alright, so here is the box. This is what it looks like, pretty standard stuff from Apple. You just see the side of the iPad Air. On the back, specs. It's iPad Air 2, 64 gigabyte with Wi-Fi. And nothing there, nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. Very simplistic. It's a white box. There it is. Okay, this is the black color. So we'll put that to the side. In here, standard stuff. So you have some info in there, a lightning connector, and then a wall power brick. That's it. So here is the iPad. All right. There it is. So it's very thin. You have volume rockers on the side. On this side you have nothing. On the top you have a 3.5mm headphone jack and a hold or lock button. And on the bottom, a couple of speakers and the lightning connector. On the back, just a nice Apple logo with iPad. So let's turn this on. There's the Apple screen. And there's the welcome. So it says slide to set up. I'm going to go ahead and do that. English. We are in Japan. We're going to connect to Wi-Fi. We'll set up Touch ID later. And we're going to set this up as a new iPad. And now it's saying it may take a few minutes to set up. So here are the terms. We don't want iCloud. Not sending. Okay, and now finally we are at home screen. So that's what it looks like. Just to give you a sense of the screen clarity, the Retina display is very, very crystal clear on this iPad. So there it is. You have all of your apps. Yeah, very lightweight and thin. So the other thing that I purchased for this was the SmartCover. Does it open like a book? It does. So very easy. There's no manuals, no information with this at all. It's just this cover. So the back side is this nice feeling soft material, and the front feels like a very soft rubber. It is a nice feeling. So look at that. Didn't even have to do much. It just magnetizes. Slide it up here. So very easy to use, and one of the features of the SmartCover is obviously that it locks the screen when you're not using it. So that is cool. And you could set it up like that. Or like this for typing. So it's a good investment. I think the SmartCover was on sale for about $27, so it wasn't too terribly expensive. So anyway, that is the new iPad Air 2 and the SmartCover unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. These iPads are pretty expensive. This one that I purchased was $589 for the 64 gigabyte version. The 16 gigabyte version is $100 cheaper, but 16 gigabytes is simply not enough these days for all of the apps that are on the App Store. So I would recommend going with the 64 if you plan on purchasing one of these. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have a few more unboxings to post up on this channel, so bear with me, and then I'll start posting up some more reviews of various items as I use them. So coming up soon, a quadcopter. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and like this video for more. Thanks, bye.